Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am planning in my mini homebody dashboard layout, and here we go again. I have not done much at all for this week, but I'm going to keep doing these plan with me's for you guys. Just too much going on, and I have only been using my dashboard pretty much, or I say my dashboard, my classic size. But this will be for the week of March 9th through the 15th. And I'm going to be using the Teresa Collins Be Happy Box collaboration sticker book and some of the washi that came with this Be Happy box. So I think where I'm going to start, these are the only things that I've pre-chosen. And I'm thinking I'm going to start with this quote and just put it here in my important section. So let me grab my tweezers. Once again, I am kind of out of it, so my head is not in the right place to be doing this, but I know you guys are depending on me for these videos, so I'm actually going to try to film a couple weeks ahead of time. That way, whatever comes up, I'll still have videos for you guys. So once again, I do want to say thank you for everyone who's been praying. I'm sure you've all heard the news now. And I'm not going to talk about anything that has happened. I'm not going to give credit to any person who has done any kind of evil. So we're not even going to discuss that. Excuse me. We are just going to say that we know that Gannon is okay. Gannon is with Jesus now, and he's not worried about this earth anymore. So we're just praying that justice will be served for whoever is responsible for whatever happened to Gannon. So that is all I will say about that. Now, I took this washi and put at the bottom. I have so much washi and I really need to be using it. And I'm sorry, my voice is hoarse today. I'm not sure why, but I'm just putting the washi down at the bottom to bring the flowers in. Sorry, guys. So let's see if I can get this one lined up here. Today is Thursday, and I'm going to be pretty busy this weekend too with Gannon's family. So if I don't respond to your comments right away, or even if I don't get to respond at all, please know that I'm helping Gannon's family this weekend. So I've got things that we need to get done. Okay, so got my washi down here. I love this pink and this green together. This quote says, "Be you, not them." And then I kind of want to take, like I tell you guys, I use this for dinner plans, but I kind of want to just cover it up so that my spread matches. So I was thinking I could just put this "Enjoy Every Moment" sticker here. And this is just one of the little header stickers that come in this sticker book. If I can find them, I'll show you. Right here. So they have all these pink ones and gold ones. So I'm not sure, this one's going to be a little bit long, so I'm just going to clip a tiny bit off of the end here and then see. I don't know how this is going to work out. We're going to see how it'll fit and then kind of trim it up as I need to. So I'm going to grab my X-Acto and just trim off this edge here. So y'all let me know in the comments, did you order anything from the release this week? I did. I ordered too much, and then I actually went back and placed another order that I probably shouldn't have placed, but whatever, it is what it is. So I will try my best to do an unboxing video and some flip throughs for you guys this week or next week. We'll see. Like I said, right now I'm just playing everything by ear and kind of going with the flow. So we'll see what life brings us in the coming weeks. So let's put this here just to cover up that green homebody And I kind of think that's cute there. Now, this is probably going to be a fairly quick video. I think, let me see if I can find some headers to put up here, because I don't use this as errands. I'm not sure what kind of headers I'm going to have. Oh, there we go. I got some pink ones. So let's white this out. So I'm going to put this one as to do, and then this will be to buy. And then I'm not going to put anything down for the important section. But this way everything's cohesive and matches. If I can get these lined up fairly straight. Okay. And so then what I'll do off camera is I'll fill in to buy and to do. So I think this side is going to be fairly done. I'll probably just use the focus box maybe for notes or any other thing that I need to track or keep track of on the go. I think I kind of want to cover up my 2020 with a flower. Because I've got this washi down here, I'm not going to put a whole lot of other florals in the spread because I feel like it'd be too much with this washi. So this is going to be a pretty simple spread. Now I do have multiples of this sticker book. So I grabbed this one has hardly been used at all. So I may have to kind of switch back and forth and use that one. But let's see if we can't just put a little flower up here, just to decorate the corner. I think I'm going to white out this black line. And just kind of put this in the corner here. And then maybe I should come in with a leaf. Let's see what I can find. So maybe something like this. This has already been cut, and I think I'm just going to use one part of the leaf. So maybe like that, and then cut this edge off. See what this looks like. Yeah, this is going to be cute. Very simple, still very functional, with just a little bit of decoration. And I was going to show you this too. If you didn't want to use like boxes up here, they do have these headers that would have worked really well up here. So they have like to do, appointment, today, focus, goals, the plan, noted, love this. And I think I'm going to take this focus sticker. Let me get my book that's already been used. And I'm going to put it right here to cover up focus to bring in some pink down there. There they are. I think that would be cute. So let's just see what this looks like. Yeah, that's cute. So see, it's pretty easy to just make a simple and functional spread. So let's put this back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider, and if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. So this is what it looks like. I think I'm going to call this done. It looks very cute. Just need to fill in to buy and to do. So thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.